Konnichiwa, I'm Paqupel, your guide to Japanese flavors. Today we're making Japanese hand-rolled sushi, a home party favorite where everyone rolls their own and shares the joy of sushi together. Before we start, let's take a quick look at what Temaki Sushi is. Temaki Sushi, which literally means hand-rolled sushi, is a beloved home party dish in Japan. Unlike the sushi prepared by professional chefs, this style is rolled by your own hands. The fillings are completely up to you. Raw fish is optional. Kid-friendly ingredients work just as well. Because it's so flexible, it's easy to adapt to different tastes. Part of the charm is chatting and creating together, and it's easy to hold and eat with one hand, which makes it perfect for relaxed gatherings at home. So try incorporating ingredients from your own region and enjoy hosting a fun sushi party with Temaki Sushi. Alright, let's start cooking. First, let's prepare the sushi rice, which is the foundation of Temaki Sushi. In a heat-proof bowl, add rice vinegar, sugar, and salt. After mixing, microwave it for 1 to 2 minutes, just until the sugar dissolves. Pour the vinegar mixture evenly over the hot rice. For detailed instructions on how to cook the rice, please check the description. Using a rice paddle, gently fold the rice with a slicing motion. Add the vinegar while the rice is still hot so it absorbs evenly. Use a gentle slicing motion rather than stirring to keep the grains separate, resulting in light, well-textured sushi rice. After mixing in the vinegar, let the rice cool slightly. If the rice is too hot, the nori will get soggy. If it's too cold, it will be harder to roll. It should feel gently warm to the touch, just right for Temaki Sushi. Next, let's prepare the fillings. It's completely up to you. Choose fillings that everyone at the table will enjoy. A variety of colors will make your table look even more vibrant. We'll share a few classic fillings commonly used in Japan for inspiration. Cut the vegetables into bite-sized pieces. In Japan, vegetables like cucumber, avocado, and shiso leaves are popular choices. Pat the sashimi dry with paper towels to remove excess moisture, then cut into bite-sized pieces. In Japan, sashimi such as tuna, salmon, and squid are classic choices. If you're not comfortable with raw fish, feel free to leave it out. Next, we'll prepare Negitoro using sashimi-grade tuna. In Japan, Negitoro is one of the most popular fillings for Temaki Sushi. Having it on the table really gives it an authentic feel. Now we'll prepare Tamagoyaki, a Japanese rolled omelet. It's especially popular with children and adds a bright touch of color to your rolls, making it a great choice. In Japanese homes, Tamagoyaki is typically shaped into a rectangle, and there's even a special rectangular pan made just for it. Here, we'll make a rectangular Tamagoyaki using a regular frying pan. Wrap it in paper towels and let it cool so it holds its rectangular shape. Once cooled, cut into bite-sized pieces. Next, let's make tuna mayo, another filling that's especially popular with kids. Next, we'll prepare the shrimp. Adding shrimp gives your Temaki Sushi an elegant look and a satisfying contrast in texture. Next, we'll prepare sweet and savory beef. While not traditional sushi, seasoned beef is a popular home-style filling that adds a rich, satisfying flavor and is perfect for anyone who prefers not to eat raw fish. Feel free to use this video as inspiration and prepare your favorite fillings. Finally, we'll show you how to roll Temaki Sushi. We'll start with a half sheet of nori. The half sheet size is the most common and allows you to wrap plenty of fillings. Make sure the rough side of the nori is facing up. Place a small amount of sushi rice diagonally from the top left toward the bottom center. Adding a small grain of rice to the bottom right corner will help seal the roll. Add your favorite fillings. Roll it up from the bottom left corner into a cone shape. Then, we'll show you how to use a quarter sheet. The quarter sheet size is smaller, making it perfect for children or when you want to enjoy a wider variety of fillings. Take the half sheet of nori and fold it diagonally, bringing the top left corner down to the bottom right. Cut along the fold to make quarters. Place the nori with the rough side facing up. Place a small amount of sushi rice diagonally from the top left and add your favorite fillings. Wrap it into a cone shape, starting from the bottom left corner. In Japan, Temaki Sushi is often served at birthday parties and family gatherings. It's a dish everyone can enjoy, and it naturally brings conversation to life. Mix and match your favorite fillings and enjoy creating your own rolls. It's a fun and unique way to host a home party. Now, let the sushi party begin. See you again in our next video, and don't forget to subscribe for more Japanese recipes.